It's on. All right, y'all, bye. Video done. See y'all later. I ain't got nothing else to do. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it fits. It's pretty snug to my head. Starting space is nice and open. If you wanted to move this, you definitely can. I'm not gonna open this up all the way because I do not want to mess up the coils, but boom, scalp. They did that when it came to bleaching the knots on this unit. It's gonna be a really, really simple and easy install, okay?